Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the BMW identification plate or sticker. This is where paint information often lives. Once found, photograph the plate and any nearby labels so you can zoom in later. Make sure to note the VIN too, because some databases cross-reference it with paint codes. If the plate's faded, gently clean it with a microfiber and rephotograph. Do not use harsh abrasives. This first step saves time and prevents guesswork when you move to decoding the code. Once you have a clear photo, read the label fields labeled paint, color, or call. BMW codes are short alphanumeric strings like 300 or A52. If the sticker lacks a clear code, use the VIN with BMW dealer systems or online BMW parts catalogs to cross-check. This is helpful because different markets can list codes differently. Make sure to compare the found code to a paint chip or official swatch. Visual confirmation avoids ordering the wrong shade. Keep your photos and notes handy for the next step. You finish by ordering a small sample or touch-up pen using the exact BMW code to avoid large waste. Once the paint arrives, apply it on a hidden panel and inspect under daylight, shade, and artificial light to confirm a match. Paint can look different in varied lighting, so this step is essential. If the color is off, recheck the code on the plate, clean and rephotograph the sticker, and if needed, ask a dealer to confirm. This troubleshooting step fixes most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.